all, man. Well, you won't dump third, you're too scared.
Oh, wow. Wow.
All I can smell is clutch.
Oh, yum.
Are we at 60 yet?
Yep.
We are now.
That was entirely clutch. Fuck, we're gonna die.
All I can smell is clutch.
Boys, he had it in gear. He didn't put the clutch in, he just like floored it.
Alright, we're going off to the right.
Preferably off the bridge.
What the fuck? Boy spewed out of the car front, that's fucked. He had a tactical bomb.
Keep it locked. Keep it locked. Right, straighten up. On the brake, on the brake, on the brake. Just leave it there.
It hasn't got reverse.
No reverse.
He has no reverse.
So you can get the...
Oh yeah, look, this one. It's still in one piece. Okay, so I should probably explain what we're doing here. We're picking up the third engine for my Mitsubishi Scorpion because once again, I blew it up.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, whack it down there. Get something else up there.
Come on.
Nah.
Just don't go over any bumps really fast.
Alright.
It's jumping! After some shots. Van was getting really close to your pipe.
Oh, yeah, whoops.
What? No, they're factory dinky from fucking Toyota.
Okay.
2ZZG.
Oh wow, I don't know which one I'd want. The oil pan 8 litre for $5. The oil pan 8 litre for $10.
These are my favourite. I have 10 of these full of oil.
Okay, so I thought I would update instead of just dragging you through hell. Motor went in, Dizzy died, or something's died. There is no electrics. There is no ignition, I should say. And we don't exactly know why. We're just guessing that it's the distributor because symptoms point to the distributor, but it's never that easy. Basically, they when they made these distributors, they made the wires in such a position where they would wiggle around inside of the Dizzy. And the wires they've used are so thin that they don't hold on for long. They break, they get chewed apart. What Dizzy numbers that? My god, what fucking Dizzy is this for? Stumpy?
That's for Cyrus.
Most of their Cyrus motors are at the bottom of a fucking lake. They're very good boat anchors.
What up? Nah, when you're gonna go for a smoke and it's like 7 degrees. Have fun. Bye. Bye, cold boy.
Literally everyone else is inside.
So nice.
I'm confused. What are we doing?
Fishing out some of my stickers that disappeared behind his dash.
I literally pulled my dash out and I had a big water fucking auto mark and stickers.
You're like, what?
I thought you said Tuesday stickers. I was like, yeah,
No,
we
auto
use
mark,
Tuesday.
yeah.
So, we haven't been doing these videos for a long time, and there's many reasons as to why we haven't. So let's just start. I put my car up the edge of the mountain. He put his car over the edge of the mountain. And some of us just avoid contact. I just hate talking to people. I'm getting old.
You going anti so good.
The other reasons are he's been in Japan as well as a lot of us. I've just been in America. I've moved house a lot. Yeah, cars are expensive. Cars are fucking expensive.
This is not
Nice!